Hi, it's Laser and Sun Design, and today I show you how to make a headgear for an action cam. Okay, so lately I got my new action webcam kind of thing, this Rollei Wi-Fi Camcorder 1. I'll show it to you in for a second. This awesome thing here. Okay, and the package has also a lot of supplies like clip mount or magnet mount. I have to show you this too. So it has all these things you see here. Also an underwater case, but there's still a problem. If I want to use it as action cam in order to film embroidery or action scenes, I need a headgear. So I didn't find one on the internet and decided to steal one by myself. Basically I would do it with tape, like with this cool thing here, because I tape in everything. So if you look around here, everything is like tape because it's the most epic universal tool you have. Yeah, I would just probably, like, I don't know, I would tape the camera on my head. But yeah, this time I decided to do it right. So I will record the whole process on the cam. I will speed it up here and there, I don't know yet, and maybe add some comments later. I also will take it for a ride on a bike after the headgear is finished, so a test drive. Yeah, so enjoy the video.
Make some calculations and drawings. As fabric, I will use this old purse from my mom. This material is waterproof.
Dolphin attack.
As a window of the lens, I have the transparent pocket of the Let It Roll festival pass from last year. This material should work. Cut a 5 by 5 cm sized square as a window. Cut some stripes of that purse material. Sew them on each side of the window. Now it should look like this. More calculations. Cut two rectangles. Their size depends on the size of your cam. Sew them like this. And here's the guy behind the voice you're experiencing right now. By now the window should look like this. More thinking, more calculations. Cut another rectangle for the bottom side of your cam clip. Take the rubber ribbon and cut it in the size of your head. Sew both ends of the ribbon together. Sew the bottom on your head ribbon like this. See, it looks amazing. Velcro! Sew the hooked piece on the window. And the looped piece on the ribbon. Now sew the window side behind the ribbon like this. And you are ready to go. Yeah.
So as you can see, I'm rigging it. It looks awesome. So it works for the cam and it also looks very pretty to me. What do you think? So right now it's about, I don't know, 3 AM or 4 AM or something. And I'm very excited to get a spin with this thing. So yeah, see you later guys. Now I'm going home. Bye.
Dolphin attack. Dolphin attack. Dolphin attack. Dolphin attack. Dolphin attack. Dolphin attack.